Hi, I'm Marisol Sullivan with the School for International Expedition Training, and today I'm going to talk about pulley systems, specifically the 3-to-1. And in this scenario here, we are at the top of pitch 1 on a multi-pitch, and I'm belaying my climber with a Petzl Reverso. So I'm going to set up a 3-to-1 in order to haul my climber who has fallen off of either a traverse or a roof and needs to be hauled a bit in order to get back on route. So I'm going to start by putting a prusik onto the climber strand. So I'm going to put a 3-wrap prusik on here, also known as a tractor. I'm going to snug that up, clip a carabiner in. So again, this is the climber strand going up to the Petzl Reverso, which is acting essentially as a one-way valve here. Brake strand coming back down to the carabiner and back up. And here you can see that nice Z shape. So a 3-to-1, also known as a Z pulley or Z drag. To get the most bang for your buck when you're hauling, it's best to send your tractor down as far away as possible, and then use your legs as opposed to your arms to haul your climber. So as I pull up slack here, my Reverso is acting as the brake. It's kind of slick. One more time, send my tractor down. And that is the Z drag, or 3-to-1 in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the 5-to-1 and the 6-to-1.